actually using his phone. I can see the phone held in his, actually I'm not sure.
It's working?
What's going on there, sir? Oh yes, I see it's lit up. Good afternoon to you, sir.
Afternoon,
Are you allowed to be using your phone?
No, because it's literally not known there. Sorry about that.
I'm still reporting it to the cops.
Sorry?
I'm still going to report it to the police. Yeah, you can't be using it. Even stops in traffic.
Are you supposed to be here?
I can be here. I'm allowed in both.
Oh, really?
I thought you'd know that from the highway code, huh?